Wait.
A drink,
A drink.
some chocolate,
Yep. Some chocolate.
and an entree.
And an entree.
If you are trying to sell something on your YouTube channel or your Instagram or your TikTok, it doesn't matter. This video is going to explain why Launchly is an amazing product that you can learn from. Whoa. I'm not saying that it's a healthy product. I myself prefer whole foods, real foods, not that high sodium, low nutrient trash that they've made and they're marketing to kids. But what I'm saying is that this product is going to sell. And what can we learn from this? They are tapping into the huge food industry. They're thinking, what product can we sell to kids? What do kids like? Toys, clothes, food. Oh, food. Okay, a kid's got to eat, right? I mean, Lunchables is worth so much. It makes millions of dollars in profit every year, and it's been going since 1988. So take that idea that works, Lunchables, and then put a twist on it and sell it to your audience. This is what MrBeast, KSI and Logan did. They take their audience and they sell something to it. You solve a problem for your customer. This is how you make money. First, you create a loyal fan base and you solve a problem for them. In this case, the problem was hunger, and Launchly will solve this problem for the kids, even though it's not very nutritious. I, for one, think the name is a bit strange. Launchly. It just sounds like a tongue twister. Launchly. It's so hard to say. What can you sell to your YouTube audience? Or maybe you have a different platform. Maybe you have a TikTok channel or an Instagram account. Find out what problem your audience has. Hopefully you've already thought about this before you've even started your channel, but you have to solve a problem for them. Once you solve the problem, that is where the money is made. Hi, my name is Mahat from Two Hustle here, and I make useful videos that help you learn how to grow your YouTube channel, to live a life of financial independence and happiness, and to have an additional income source alongside the 9 to 5 so you can expand your income. Comment down below if you think Launchly is going to sell, if it's going to be successful, at least sales wise. I'm not talking about all of the ultra processed ingredients, very unhealthy, red 40, high sodium. Hey, who said that? I didn't say that. What? Okay, even if you're not even selling on a social media page, you can sell something on your website or your Amazon or your eBay. It doesn't matter. You can still sell something. You have to solve the problem for your customer. Once you solve their problem, that is how the money is made. Okay, that is a summary of this video. If it has helped you out so far, let me know. But also, if you want to learn the main ways to make money on your YouTube channel, click this video right here that I have made for you.